Bringing unverified, dead, or diseased seeds to one of these trading tables actively damages your reputation. Worse, it directly harms your neighbor's harvests. To prevent this, successful homesteaders use the Autonomy Standard Operating Procedure for seed purity auditing. This is a rigorous, step-by-step verification process to ensure heirloom seed quality. True seed sovereignty requires absolute certainty. You must know exactly what is inside the envelope before you hand it to someone else. Step 1 is verifying the original genetic source. Any seed entering a swap must originate from open-pollinated, or OP, stock. Open-pollinated means the plant will produce seeds that grow into offspring identical to the parent. You must separate your open-pollinated stock from F1 hybrids. F1 hybrids are the first-generation offspring of two distinct parent varieties, artificially crossed by breeders to produce specific, temporary traits. If you save seeds from a hybrid plant, they will not grow true to type. The offspring will be completely unpredictable, carrying unstable genetics that are useless to the recipient. If you cannot trace your original planting stock back to an open-pollinated source with 100% certainty, keep those seeds for personal experiments. They are unfit for community trade. Once you verify the source, audit the physical growing conditions. The primary threat to seed purity is accidental cross-pollination by insects or wind. This map illustrates isolation distance, the physical space required between plants to stop them from sharing pollen. Corn requires a massive 2,000-foot gap. Lacking space, use isolation by time. By staggering planting, one crop's flowering ends completely before the next begins. Warning tone. You also have to check the edges of your property. Certain crops will cross-pollinate with wild relatives growing nearby, which immediately invalidates your seed's purity. This infographic demonstrates the genetic diversity minimum, the lowest number of parent plants needed for a resilient gene pool. Saving seeds from just one plant creates weak genetics. You need a minimum of 5 plants for standard crops and at least 50 for corn. Auditing isolation distances and plant counts guarantees the seeds you trade possess robust, pure genetics. These are the specific traits required to survive pests and climate stress in the next generation. With the genetics verified, we move to the physical state of the harvested material.